Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. For that, first of all, simply launch your crypto.com application just like so. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Now, once you have done that, simply tap on the option of accounts tab here in the bottom. After that, tap on crypto. Over here in your crypto, you will see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can basically transfer from your crypto.com account to another wallet. So since we want to transfer XRP, you can just use this search bar here and search for XRP. Now once you tap on XRP, you will be landed here on this page where simply tap on the option of transfer, then select withdraw. Over here you need to select the external wallet because we are transferring XRP from our crypto.com account to the Tangem wallet. Now it is going to ask you to add the wallet address. For that you can either tap on this add button right next to add wallet, or you can also tap on this plus icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. So once you tap on add, it is again going to show you all of the cryptocurrencies available in your account. So here you need to select XRP. After that, in the network, you need to make sure that XRP is selected. Here in the wallet address section, you need to add the destination address. So in order to get the destination address, you need to launch your Tangem application. Then you need to select XRP account. There you will find the receive option. So you need to tap on receive and get your XRP address from there. After that, you need to paste that address over here in this section. Then in the tag you can type anything like any of the memo relating to this transaction so that you could know which transaction is this. Then in the wallet name you can add Tangem wallet. So once you have done that, simply tap on the option of continue here in the bottom. On the next page you need to simply just enter the amount that you want to withdraw and review further details. You need to make sure that everything is correct, the network and the address is correct. Once done, you need to confirm your transaction. After the successful confirmation of your transaction in your crypto.com account, you are going to get XRP in your Tangem wallet within 5 to 10 minutes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.